Today we're giving authentic butter chicken an Italian twist to make a cheesy, flavor-packed butter chicken lasagna. We'll marinate some boneless chicken with red chili powder, turmeric, salt, ginger garlic paste, and lime juice. Mix it in evenly and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make some crunchy sautéed veggies to add as a colorful layer to our lasagna. Melt a little butter and add in some vibrant bell pepper, which really livens up the dish, and yummy baby corn. Give them a couple of minutes on a medium flame. Follow this with a little zucchini, tandoori masala, and salt. We added the zucchini later because we don't want it to soften too much. Take these off the flame while they're still crunchy. Now it's time for the butter chicken. Fry off the chicken pieces in a little oil. We're looking for some gorgeous browning and charring, so do this on a high heat. Remove the pieces after 3 to 4 minutes total, flipping halfway. Keep them aside. In the same pan, melt some butter. Add in some ginger garlic paste. Add onions and sauté until they're beautifully brown for about 10 to 12 minutes. Add tomatoes and cashew paste. Mix well and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add some chili powder, garam masala, a little bit of salt, sugar. Mix well. Add some water and let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from the flame and cool the mixture slightly and blend into a fine puree. Add this back into the same pan. Add the cooked chicken and let it come back to temperature. Add kasuri methi, lemon juice, you can taste and adjust any seasoning or spice at this stage. You should also add water to get a medium consistency that will be easy to spread. Mix well and let it simmer till everything is heated through. And a dash of cream to top it off. Remove from the flame and keep aside. Next, we will boil our pasta sheet. There are many kinds available in the market, but we like the squiggly kinds because they look cuter than the plain ones. But feel free to use whichever. Heat enough water in a large pot and season it with some salt. When the water starts boiling vigorously, add in the lasagna sheets carefully. Simply follow the packaged instructions and boil for the recommended time. Ours was 2 minutes. Remove them using a tongs and we're ready to assemble. For assembling our butter chicken lasagna, grease a baking dish with melted butter. The baking dish we chose is 8 inches long. Spread a ladleful of butter chicken gravy at the bottom of the dish. Place boiled lasagna sheets over it. Spread another layer of butter chicken evenly. Spread a layer of the vegetables over this. Sprinkle cheese generously over it. We're also putting in some coriander for added freshness. Repeat the same process to make as many layers as will fit in your pan. Bake in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 35 minutes or until the cheese browns slightly. It is key to let this sit for at least 10 minutes after coming out of the oven to avoid painful cheese burns. Garnish with some coriander and enjoy. This is a treat your loved ones will love you for. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.